Star song. Ye de befie no na afen so ya hwe ene Black Stars enso ejina akono a ye ne Nigeria ye ntie kakra. Na wawremu ewo Facebook Sompa 93.1 na fen so pictures ni videos ni nyina onso wetimi I enjoy being in the Black Stars omo training no enso etimi ekọ so mama me Benjamin Asare goalkeeper why ready pa Benjamin Asare ene ono ena eda post nim ede amagana na ya hwese bibia enso ebetimi akoye ena afen so abrantia your friend Razak Simpson. Yes, NTR minya free Black Stars company say ene abrantia your friend Razak Simpson say bibia nsesa a free samre ko se no nsia no ebebo apema simadua na num na they say abrantia we Nations FC captain Razak Simpson obestati game no and so ede ama the Black Stars of Ghana yebo eche and so etimi ede ama ene anopenti Black Stars game no baby a wo bia wo tie nka baby a wo hwe free bia hyane so say eye ene ya no nsia aba pounds mano aduanan num Ghana ne Nigeria and so ebo 4 nation tournament na and also ekoso e London we eye Unity Cup and also koso London any de hon semino enso ema na Mr. KTS Okreku president e the Ghana Football Association or the ensem atuja bebre na ochemo padia ubetimi adidi na tem ubetimi akansem bebre afa no na mom udifemino se ebi aket oye kromfo ana oye nipaboni ni oka ensem a enye nokre e de fan ho dia eno de enya de se ode bechewo
to do a critique of the work we do. I always say that we are human and therefore will not always have a straight line. What I do not like is when people go out of their way to defame. For me, that's not acceptable. Okay. If you insult me, okay, but if you defame me, I will not take it lightly, and I do not take it lightly. So if I'm not a thief and you're calling me a thief, then we'll have problems. But it's okay for people to do a critique of the work we are doing. That's very acceptable. We'll continue to work with the media.
Entino ade say yadwuma ye mobetimi ede mwatenye mwatenetene nyina ba eno de yagitum na mom no se menya kromfo na beka chem se me ye kromfo de eno de memfa na ho grosa eno ye president ede ma Ghana Football Association second vice president ede ma CAF eno de sansem no atudwa Mr. KTS Okreku eno de sansem no enso etimi atudwa na coach Karim Zito and so etimi ede ensembebre and so etimi out of form and anwe ade say omune baby any Gold Stars game no eba na we no yebusan say coach sisi a league title no say ena esife kodima asante kodoko.
Every team wanted to win. We all created a lot of chances and we couldn't put it into the net. Nobody knows what is going to happen. unless you calculate and then add the 2 games. Even if you win, we can go then it's over for me. But for now, I will never say it's over.
And so they say Coach Karim Zito, head coach at the Kumasi Asante Roko, and Ode San Semino, and so Atu Ejano. Na they say Grace, where they Fafem Kahomami, they say Asante Roko, and they Adako Jache, and Yankofa Kensie, and so Ebetimi Akoso, Ehono Montino, Sagame no Ebebaso 3 p.m. Omune Kumasi Nkum ena ebebosa akensie no enso ewo hono mo 3 p.m. na Mohamed Polo legend edema Ghana ode nse bebre atudwa edikan wakasa for Blasters consistency ehu.
Yes, we have to. Very important. And I know American. These are opportunities. There's as an underdog, no dear. Obia him say, oh, Sisi Ghana, but Nancy, even the way they won their 2 matches, we don't want to lose consistency. They should go there and win again. They are very, very important.
Entino Mohamed Polo and Ato Blasters of Ghana or Sisi ano yesi kwene swano no entino consistency no ma mo manenira they say ene munchi Nigeria na monso entimi ensha omo enso MIA na Mohamed Polo enso ewie no o se Ghana any Nigeria game there na a difficult game.
Good afternoon. Players are hungry for every person. You know the way we have football, no, especially at that highest level, no. You know, more consistency, no. They are very, very important because matches like Nigeria and Ghana there enough for me. But Nicola Absent is Okano. A lot of new faces. And
Mohamed Polo and Edison Semino and so etimi Atujano na Edison head coach at the Nations FC coach Kasim Mingo na Yebusane say Edison coach Sisia Abrantia ye friend no Razak Simpson oh Edison League naje but unya Abrantia no because of Black Stars call up and so Honomo San Semino Hawana
say unya call up no na me who say Okoba Pua Omumbo qualifies in we and there will be a FIFA friendly matches week or matches. Any time it goes, there will be a vacuum there. I started building the team with him. You could see any high scoreboard, two bano. I will not knock a crown. When he recovered poor, I was not using him because we saw back up. So I was using those who were playing before he recovered. Not until the last.
And so a head coach Kasim Mingo Okansi and Edison Semino Etu Jahawa Edison Nations FC Omo Mfe Razak Simpson Esanse who say Abrantiano Black Stars duties ebe distracting and or started say or prepare Abrantiano absent Nuntino ama Omo Enso Mfeno na wakasa area fa ne striker Abrantia ye friend Faisa Chaute Ehu.
I was happy for me. He has worked very hard. And you share no more competing more share penalties by 6-7. Oh no, it's only one penalty from Abu Bashir. It goes in no effort on the share. Until you could see I was very, very happy for him, say, as long as he has find his feet, goal scoring feet until it will continue.
And coach Kasim Mingo Okansi and it is something to Johnny Sabusako is a coach. Sisi ano na se enkwada no de udi ogidie ewo mu sanse wo Bechem United ye hunde wa ode enkwala no eye adwuma ema Bechem United enso ebe strong oba nation sin so enkwada nko a Faisa Chauta ye kan ho asem ono kran so eye akora from nowhere coach Kasim Mingo edienti ena oye sade no
have the potential. I can develop you to become a star. Who say Nipano way is coachable. I drag you in started working on the person. We are then start giving him the platform. Kakra we na working some first. I say me go who Akachi All Stars. They were playing and whom the performance. And you see when you get him and you polish him, if he space anything, he can be a star.
Ampeni ampa ninua eni ampa coach Kasi Mingle afa akwada no apolish no MCC a yade se Ghana Premier League goal king chart no Faisa Chaute otoso enso emienu ewo ehono ma chese coach Kasi Mingle chema ono oye developer anti onim hawa o develop enkwala talent ema yenya the best out of that players no eno eye coach Kasi Mingle Okansi head coach edema yade se Nations FC ene de sansem no enso etime tudwa na Swedro All Blacks some lady next season Ghana Premier League no obetisi yebubo 18 teams na yebebo Swedro All Blacks sanse omonso etimi a qualify from omuzo no a join Ghana Premier League no na Nathaniel Obin kasamafo enso edema yade say All Blacks yebusa say nat sisi ano ma qualify every way forward no etise
of course no the road is clear, especially the target is steadfast. So, of course, no. You actually, Niakano, who deal with it. And yet, we did it. A lot of people asking players, the signing of more stadium with this year, kind of, no. You go see your season here. I can't your last game. Against Park Academy, our official. We are GFA and notifies of our coronation at the Cup and the medals that were also on the 8th of June. Here we are. We know what you are doing. We'll keep it on the low. Yes, sir, public need to know. We'll make it known to the public.
Former player, your friend Ember Power Grace, wow, Kasa Wemba. When himself was boss Swedro All Blacks pay Mlebia Echamu. Nanso one said and found quite Chiribia San or there some no and so a see ho entino and no Nathaniel and a desan semne and so etujano na a Cassidy and so a Casama for edema a Suapons fidelity or non so ede and Sam Kakra. And so etimi atuja afa omo qualification omo so etimi a qualify yebusa how challenging and so say obebo Ghana Division 2 no
eba Division 2 wo de say obe feedi nkwala no amateur feeding so no easy the me hu say challenges there wide than friends Division 1 but all the same no your club president Afatun was say body business. Ti oyena why the oyen and Nkolano so dachi. The other say challenges there bibia challenges room. But Juma the office will say obey Juma na oyena why ye. Ti na you good to ayen.
Eno enso say Cassidy Casamafo edema Siopon Fidelity eno de San Semino enso etuja sabre omonso Western Region omoremu ewo Division 1 na next season omonso ebebo Ghana Division 1 no enso ebi en 7 doors bebre onim say echa 2 days time efiada ebe RTU ene techima 11 wonders game no ebeba so na ensem bebre wachira ye ba 9:30 full time ne so a ye de beto enso etime de ma na sabre de ebrena sontini ye kwama no ne na yakofa amano ne nsem no enso etime ede aba powers
Orlando
ade achi
am yadom ya sanso ababi
na a drivers ne say kilentua say omonte so ne ekire ka na kra the driver bi ko to me blue ko busa say eh na da be na mo bete so o say kilentua ye nte so ne
omo no so omo sanity omo nte so e ko na nim dia mutum Kwame Nkrumah nsem forward ever backward
omo say omo mani ko school buses no first na omo je no ya dey say schools ne ntete so aduane omo to ye nte so
ban say fuel o mate so
fuel no mate so
say no need the basics omo di gina so
omo say ye tufu we ma omo say ye tufu we ma obi ato na adiem the dollar kosra obi ato na adiem the on use dollar kra burowura or toton aburu kra no fuel kosro yes na is ya o team na ba no obekwa akoye bibi kakra mo man Grace is obi that obekwa akoye bibi am man. Oh okay. Mate young comrade.
Funko ba. I'm going to do Fankuba and all blacks share those days under 15, 17, and years. And you ever call about now your body are carrying now to me. Actually, you're doing come on. And my rim fisher, Yami Admin day 7 p.m. game in the Betamaco. So, Conference League final game between Real Betis and the club by friends of Chelsea in the Betama Baswa. And your game Kitwa. But me part of Grace, Mammy, yes, also, Namami Real Betis Bobo can weigh a yenra. Wamu train na mu yen wo Paul na bontenso na hwe akra na friends Anthony go now or send go training na enya easy kra we Anthony eno no nti o bibia kire so Chelsea bobo kun o so mo ye careful ndi fa Anthony ho eno aye game be ko so nyame yadom ne dey no na yesa say do won sam ahoto dey pa na bibia so atumi aye kama Grace me patro eno achi no mama Chelsea bobo kun Womoso epa no mo aba be training wo mra ko pa ma edi animo na bibia so etumi ekoso enti nyame yadoma all is set for that crucial game be koso 7 p.m. UEFA Conference League no yedi kan dia to anim so kwa Europe abontenso a the only club and now so Conference League just UEFA competitions ni na no wajibi pain waji aye Champions League waji UEFA Europa League Super League waji biniate aye Chelsea bobo krono and oji Conference League ni kanwa na bibia so tomakoso at the Chelsea Football Club and now 7 p.m. I will Paul and the game no betomakoso ya de some ahoto de pa na bibia so atum aye kama nti we no aye Chelsea bobo ko mu train na mu ye na nura and yegu so ade some ahoto de pa na bibia so atum akoso Chelsea club no and omo supporters and my friends Betis supporters na a class na anodin Grace Skipo na ma Chelsea supporters no ani Betis supporters ntokwa e course we nra na ola we no elson da bottles ye trim bottle we fa bottle no de bom na pai na watwe with sharp edge no de ba we no aye de course we nra supporters no enya asam ke tokra yenta ha wana bottles no break na yezi yenta Enti eno na Chelsea Football Club any Betis supporters no and na de course for Poland and renumre na wugu so wo hwe na wutebi wo Sompa 93.1 so afimin to so enkonsambo from by Grace mamisa picture no ekwakodum pempen so bi so wo so police wo mudi inso na de pam supporters no na ano den esansa de ekoso na ya jomo nsam eno aye de course ebi na wugu so wo hwe live on Sompa 93.1 so afi yento so yenkwansambu from but me fan to obianim so no Chelsea for Owura your friend is Victor Osimhen Chelsea for Victor Osimhen mami aye coach of Nigeria ni din ade Daniel aye Ogun Modede on aye Remo Stars our Nigeria coach no penin din some kaka da tuja then some very simple and then Victor Osimhen ankonkobo and from any other club or Kokosia Kadiama club bia I was say your club or compete to a Champions League Timbia Victor Osimhen beton womono Gomo and so you aspire for a trophy any team that signs him Victor Osimhen is almost guaranteed with the win of a league title that is influential how he is and no ayogura no so sama or the atu train no pay ayeden sama adepa na bibia so atum aye kama afi momogura ne te edi Enzo Maresca akasa
Then somebody are simple ahead of the game. Enzo Maresca say it was difficult convincing the boys. It was difficult psyching the boys. Gente Enzo Maresca.
Why was because it's the competition that probably the most complicated team, the most complicated thing this season about the conference has been to convince the player that for us was the best competition in the world. And the reason why was because it's the competition that we were in. So every game has been difficult, especially because I needed to convince the player that we were not able to drop nothing, because you can lose points against any team, and we need to respect any team in Europe and any team that we face. And then I'm not focused about winning this competition or with this trophy because my name. For sure, I'm happy if we win, but I'm especially happy for the club, for the fans, and as you said, also because Chelsea can become.
And no, a coach at the Chelsea Football Club, Mr. Enzo Maresca. Then some other two, Enzo, and I don't know. I want the press conference, and I say, Yentoso, Yanko other stories, I so quitem and a day. Now, medical, there are two enemies, so we're going to tell the Kevin De Bruyne, a year day out, transfer window, NBA name close, no, not what Johnny Napoli Bobocuno. So said, Jamin, second, say, and that was the phone call. Just Antonio Conte, and then opinion, Di Laurentiis, and so to me, make it to the camp of a young Kelvin De Bruyne. Now, Damien is a Conte, a young wife, a Philippe player, and to some command Gusu Ecoso, and which another big sign in Ebecosonie, a Jonathan, a David. These are two big signings, Napoli Football Club, and Subetumaye from the camp of the club, and I don't some auto, and so a depa now. But that's wait till upon Tenso, Menko Atalanta Becamo, after 9 years, Meteso Graditadi Gian Piero Gasperini, Penino a likely says season where Ebeneria or say goodbye to Atalanta and not answer and some and swapper and that time you go say some out on and then Panavi just to my camera with Mr. Oliver Grossner or no a coach at the Crystal Palace and I was because my was and so my baby didn't come up a whole and Mr. Oliver Grossner at the two powerhouse in him so 99% I will be the manager of Crystal Palace next season until Yami Adman next season on. Or you're very sure so no and a better so a year to my club no now Grace Mama Penny and the Teddy Don Carlo Ancelotti or no so quick come on or say the pressure of handling Brazil national team and the pressure at Tasawuya Juma at the Mama no are you the same Yente Carlo Ancelotti.
No, the pressure is the same, but you don't have to think now. I don't have to think about the pressure. I have to think that I have to live a fantastic opportunity. I have to live at the best of my possibility this period. That will be a fantastic period to prepare a World Cup with the national team. And after that,
and see, and no, you don't Carlo Ancelotti in some of the two. I have powerhouse and Nimono, and see, Yamia Duma 9:30. Yatanasia, Brazil from Pennyfono, I have CBF, no, I didn't room, our trophy, I have room hall, no, we shown a trophy, so who do Brazil national team, and so Argentina, 9:30 Yatanasia, yet no some answer to my Panabi Biansono, and to me, I come a Grace young Quenim, Mammy Lami Jamal, when we say, and no powerhouse the tutor, sat boy. And all standing the contract and so Jama Passable me pato and to me also now rival near and not our rival here was cited Esportiva one hamper no all standing the contract and so a Jama club until 2031 and I saw deal now also and also bet me up an area 9:30 no ya pa dia catch woman no so bet me dia pa na be just at me akoso no run the John Terry and also the two Chelsea supporters in him. Sir, we are a couple of years of age. Say no, a better Edama Chelsea. Sir Champions League on bet mate, a better Edama Chelsea. Some bet to me at the Premier League. A sense of social Man City, social Liverpool. We should also crown out my consistent for the past couple of years now. And we should the difference between dark clubs now they to Chelsea, which was a difference in Warsaw and not a young Daddy John Terry and some of the two gender there. You go straight in some out on the pa, never be just to my kama and now power the tutor. So granted, tell him Matoe Scunyano Enra or Johnny Club. Your friends of Manchester United from Wolverhampton Wanderers, say Shaka Diama Club, no, but said Diamin second year, and it's a boy in the salary, Peter Orlando, Edward Sa, from £80,000 a week to £200,000 a week. Difference, no, 120,000 from Wolverhampton Wanderers or Johnny Club and it at Manchester United. And no, Mateus Cunha, good player now. Also was Sompa television. That's no, no, and common and made 2 gender day. I just be beyond straight to me, Cosso. I feel young core warsa and real course, no, William and Rab. They are your friends at League Managers Association. One awards echo so 33rd annual dinner no and no SRC na enya some ketwa just after the dinner and no mupo match say awards no and straight to me course so come owura na wo hwem go Sompa television so no ayo opinion the Ian Holloway and no ono so ye induct no to Hall of Fame 1,000 club I said na ka ho and no jogging club and also you didn't come home penny and the make a McCarthy and also ya induct no this and penny forward including Jose Mourinho or no and so enra ya inducted to the Hall of Fame and no ya definitely wants to League Managers Association no awards am yen enra and you go side on some out no and then pan be just to my kama when Mr. Moyes David Moyes or no say indicted no but awards national Jose Mourinho so me fantom him said Chelsea and your Conference League and the supporters snippet Chelsea club no bigger at the Senate a competition your first Conference League then to a and it's a competition first Conference League undisrespected but their Chelsea supporters and your friends UEFA Champions League and we are Jose Mourinho and somebody two and so no now William said a buyer back on the thing and so at this Sonia bompausa or your Chelsea Emano and so coach your Bonabaso man John Duncan Award as manager of the year woko Emma football UK abonten so and non de no so pa you go so din sama out and so dey tuja na be dan so to my kama Crystal Palace boss on the day at the Oliver Glasner on also receive award John Duncan Award and representation this year no you recognize no at so on also adwuma wagan anote e di ha so on also at the same award and no League Managers Association award e course and so e go so yate ho some award de pa na be so to my kama afi mama Angie Postecoglou on also enra onya award Arsenal League no me pato Arsenal mano mami Arsenal coach manafam good mami we UEFA Champions League ni nyina e ma de no ono ene heavy it's on the said this season ono ene tumi chinam ade ma Arsenal amamboche e ma Champions League enti enura na esafata so ono so no ya bona abaso na bibia so etumi ya kama me patcho stories every awards 9000 pa no e doso nyame ya tuma 9:30 ya tena say de dia kani nyina no enso betuma ba on slot ya bona abaso as the Premier League Manager of the Year e simple oje ya sanso je dia friend say Alex Ferguson trophy and so edison na so and not your grand attending on a slot Liverpool born a boss no the free so to twenty you go side in some out on the panel so not my kama nyame ya to no pay 11 oh mobile quantity United Grace o Manchester no mo game ball na ene mo be trophy esan samuni Asian All Stars mojia moji trophy enwa and I'm be kunkon kakra we krom ha on this note yamfa tip off no enfensia nyame ya adoma 9:30 on mahini you do watching the team no sorry a ye be san so about with full time ye